morning. For today's recipe, I have double chocolate Reese cookies, again using the boys Halloween candies that they got from trick or treat. And this is the kitchen fairy, and so yeah, it's pretty easy and it's pretty delish. I love this one so much. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So what I have here is dark chocolate from Baker's, but you can use any other flavors. So I'm gonna use just 2 squares, 1 and 2. So that's about 1/4 ounce and 1/4 ounce or 1/2 ounce. And again, using my son's Halloween goodies from trick or treat. These are about 10 individual packaging of Reese pieces. For the dry ingredients, what I have is 2 cups of strong baker's flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a generous pinch of salt. And we're gonna cream 1/2 cup of yellow shortening. This is buttery flavor, and 1 3/4 cups of sugar. Yes, it sounds a lot, but we are using dark chocolate, so it should sweeten the cookies. So we're just gonna cream this. Then beat in 2 whole eggs, the melted chocolate, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Now we're gonna add in our dry ingredients, alternating with 1/3 cup of heavy cream. So we're just gonna add some. If you start with the dry ingredients, you have to end it with the dry ingredients. Now we're gonna fold in our pieces. And a handful of chocolate chips. Now we're just gonna fold it. Once mixed, you want to chill the dough for an hour, but since it's winter outside, I'm gonna put it in the snow for 15 to 20 minutes. Just cover it and put it outside. Now with cookie scoop or ice cream scoop, just scoop dough and place it right away into non-stick baking pan. I'm gonna bake cookies on preheated 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. Cookies on the rack.